Hello everyone, today we're going to be rating slimes again. Starting off with this Peach Baby slimes called Souffle Pancakes. Let me open this real quick. I have opened the slime and now let's rate it. So, this slime is a thick and glossy texture, I believe, and comes with like this syrup. The syrup also really nice. It has some cute add-ins. We're talking about this slime in general. So the slime feels really nice, and it also like feels like cool, like no one's ever touched it before. So that's nice. It's also pretty thick, which I like in slimes. But if you don't, just know that it's pretty thick. Let's smell the scent. That smells really nice. In this video, we're going to be reviewing 3 slimes, not just 1. So part 5 will be 3. So this slime, I rate a 8 out of 10. The next slime is from Kawaii Paws, and it is this cotton candy ice cream slime. So let me open this. This is the slime all opened up. See, just look how big that is compared to my hand. Alright, so this is the container it comes in. It like looks bigger than it actually is though. So, but it is big. It's a very pretty color. I've already mixed it, but before I mixed it, it was pink and blue. And then it made this pretty. But it also had purple in it. Just like on the cover, but swirlier though. Okay, now let's get on to the rating. This slime, I think, is a Cloudo. It is a really nice texture. I really like it. It's also really cool. Like I said again, it's not as thick, but there is a lot of it. So you can just take chunks out. Now let's try the smell test. Now it does smell pretty cotton candy, but it's a bit weird scented, so 9 out of 10, because otherwise it would be 10 if the scent was a little bit better. The third and final slime we will be reviewing today is, let me see, green apple shaped ice. It's not on the label anymore, but I think this was Dope Slimes. This was given to me by a friend, so let's open it up. So this might not seem a lot, but this slime is really sticky and I can only handle this much. So check out this hand. Yeah, so that's sticky. But I mean, again, this was given to me by a friend, so I wasn't the one who bought it. And right now I am off of Activator, so I gotta get some more. So let's get on with the reviewing. This, I believe, is a jelly slime. It feels really nice and cool. Pretty thick, but all jelly slimes are. Well, not jelly. Actually, yeah, they're jelly to me. They're I don't know what type, how to say exactly, but really nice. The squishing is nice. Let's poke it. You can't really make any bubbles with it. But I'm pretty sure you can make bubble pops. Now it's time for the smell test. That does smell like green apple. Wait, you guys smell it? That smells exactly like green apple, doesn't it? Well, that's all we will be reviewing for today. Bye, everyone.